The role of youth in nation building. One of the good citizenship that I chose is the pagkamakabayan. I can show this value by patronizing the products of our own country, by buying them, and by supporting our fellow citizen in creating those products. On the other hand, the second value that I chose is the pagkamakadiyos. I represent this value by following the Ten Commandments given by God for us to follow, and we must also celebrate Mass every Sunday to hear the important words of God proclaimed by the priest. Number 2, eyes is an important organ of our body that represent the sense of sight, but being blind is an exemption not to see the beauty of the nature. For me, I will describe the beauty of modern nature to a young blind child by making him or her use his other senses. In that case, I will command him to close his eyes and make him feel the heatness of the sun on his face, feel the wind blowing across his body, hear the birds singing, hear the rain falling, touching the leaves of a plant, and by letting him smell the aroma of the flowers around him.